Pretty windy here, and
under the porch, check Hayden.
And all of this stuff. And this is all this stuff, and you can hear thunder over there about that tree, high tree. And here's a house, but my iPad's getting wet. Yeah, my iPad's getting wet. Ah, I'm still getting wet. Here's my house. Hi, Mama. Say hi, Mama. This is gonna go on YouTube. Okay. And here's my hallway. And there's my room. I'm not done looking there. There's my Bubba's room. That's a mess. Oop, I can't turn stuff on, so deal with it. Wait, Aaron. Ow! No, there's my place. There's my PlayStation. I'm watching clearance. Ew! Got the butt chin. Lenny.
Hey, Broster, the Spratster. What's up? Ah, Bradster scared!
I didn't mean to scare ya. And another satisfied customer. Oh, man.
And as you can see, it's still raining. Shut up, TV! Well, goodbye, peeps. Jeez. Boo!